Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while since I last uploaded a video, but from now on, I'll make an effort to be more consistent. From today, I'll be coming up with a series which I have titled A Line a Day, where I'll be telling you about the opening line of a famous novel, its publication date, its writer, and the protagonist of the novel. And with the help of this, a short video, you'll be able to tackle the chronology questions. You'll be able to answer the match the following questions in case the opening lines are asked, and you'll also be able to answer the character type questions in case the character from the novels are asked. So these 30 seconds are going to be very beneficial for you. So make sure you watch it and stay tuned. Thank you.